Hi guys, this is Brittany with the Crafting Spot, and for today's tutorial we'll show you how to make words into a shape. It's really simple. I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's go. Now this can be done using any font. For this example I've used Impact. I've already typed it, but I'm about to type it again just to show you. For those of you that aren't familiar, just click the text box to bring a new one up, choose your font, and go from there. And once you've selected your font, you'll just type out the word that you're going to use, and then you'll move it up into the shape that you're using. Try to touch as many of the corners of the shape or as many of the lines in the shape as possible. It'll save you some trouble later on. And once you've done that, you're going to right click it and ungroup. That's going to allow you to move each letter individually. Then you'll just resize them to take each letter a little below or above the lines of the shape. So as you see here, the C goes below the line of the bottom of the heart and above the top of it. And you'll do the same thing for each of the shapes in the word. No matter what word you're using, the process is still the same. Once you've stretched all the letters as large as you want them to, you can just stop there and proceed to the next step. If you don't like the way that it looks, you can go back in it and adjust it some more. So I'll show you both ways. All right, without any modification, I'm going to select everything, go up to the modify panel and crop it. I can be done at this point, add some color to it, and it looks like that. If I'm not happy with it, I can undo it and go back in and take the next step. So I'm going to undo everything to tweak this a little bit more. So we're back out of it, and we're going to point edit. You can use the third icon down from the left, or you can double click the letters and this will pop up. We're going to drag points of the letters outside of the shape. This is going to allow for more of the letter to cover the shape. So you can see in the C, I drug it to be able to reach the left side of the heart. And I'll do a couple of the other letters just to try to cover more area of the heart so that you get a better shape on the back end. Once you're happy with the way that it looks, you'll go back up to the top, you'll do modify, you'll crop it again, and then you can see what your shape looks like, add color it, and that's it. At this point, the only thing left to do is to group it together, and then you can use it like a regular file. Easy. As always,